Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Ford Mustang Dark Horse is a high-performance variant of the 7th generation Mustang lineup, introduced as a new nameplate to push the boundaries of street and track capabilities. It features a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, specifically engineered for the Dark Horse, producing 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque. This engine benefits from upgraded internals, including forged connecting rods and a uniquely balanced crankshaft derived from the GT500. The Dark Horse comes standard with a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, known for its robust and precise shifting, while a 10-speed automatic transmission is available for those preferring paddle shift convenience. The car is equipped with a performance-enhanced chassis, MagneRide adaptive dampers, and a Torsen limited slip rear differential, all designed to optimize cornering and stability. Aiding its aggressive driving dynamics are front and rear sway bars, Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers, and staggered Pirelli P0 tires wrapped around 19-inch wheels. Its design distinguishes itself with a unique, stealthy appearance featuring a gloss black grille, darkened LED headlights, functional hood vents, and rear diffuser. The car also sports an exclusive Dark Horse badge and various blacked-out elements, such as mirror caps, tailpipe finishers, and a rear spoiler. An optional appearance package includes blue-painted brake calipers and Recaro performance seats. Inside, the Dark Horse features a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Ford Sync 4. It includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AB/&O premium audio system. The cockpit is driver-focused, with ambient lighting, unique trim accents, and an optional suede steering wheel with contrast stitching. Track-focused buyers can opt for the Dark Horse handling package, which adds wider wheels, track-specific tires, larger sway bars, and a revised rear wing with a gurney flap. A rear seat delete option and additional coolers for oil and transmission make the car even more suitable for rigorous track use. The Mustang Dark Horse blends street style with true track potential, placing it as a serious contender among modern American muscle cars. It's aimed at enthusiasts looking for a high-revving V8 with modern tech and aggressive styling, without stepping into supercar price territory.